Hi, this is Jayman and welcome to my channel. This makeup look is different than my usual makeup look because of the glittery and vibrant colors of eyeshadow that I chose here, as well as the glossy and fuller lips. We're gonna skip the full makeup tutorial for this look because the length of time for this video will take so much longer and I don't want to waste your time watching the entire process. Let's start now. I'm gonna use this Beauty Glaze palette. It has 63 shades and very affordable for its quality. I already applied concealer as my base on both eyelids. So, using a blending brush, we're gonna apply a light green as transition shade on crease area. A tapered blending brush to blend the eyeshadow seamlessly. On the outer V, we're gonna use a bullet brush and apply green shade for smoky eye effect. And now we're gonna apply dark blue for more depth. A blending brush to remove the harsh line. We'll add light green shade for more saturation. Now, we're going to use shimmery vibrant blue shade with sponge eyeshadow brush to emphasize the middle eyelid and make the outer V deeper. We're going back to outer V with bullet brush again, so we're gonna add a little bit of dark blue to complete the deeper illusion on this area. And lightly blend to remove any harsh line. It's optional, but to make it more glamorous, you can add blue glittery shade on the middle eyelid using your fingertip to adhere, unlike the sponge brush that I used here. On the inner corner, we're gonna apply some glittery shade with sponge eyeshadow brush, or you can also use your fingertip. Under the eyes, using this pencil brush, we're gonna apply a blue-green eyeshadow. On 1/4 below lash line, from the outer corner, we'll be applying dark green using a small smudge brush to connect the shades of the upper and lower lash line, and apply a vibrant blue on the same area using a sponge brush. So, using again this smudge brush, we'll be applying glittery sky blue shade. And lightly remove excess eyeshadow on lower lash line using this baby wipe. We're gonna apply a green glittery shade with smudging brush on the inner corner. Apply a dark blue shade with smudging brush on the 1/4 lower lash line to complete the eyeshadow look. So now, we'll be using a gel eyeliner and angled synthetic brush to apply a winged liner starting from 1/4 upper lash line, near the outer corner, and work our way up to the tail of winged eyeliner. To add more pigment, we're gonna apply a liquid liner on the winged line that we created. Curl those lashes using an eyelash curler. And apply coats of mascara on upper and lower lash line in zigzag motion to prevent from clumping. Attach the false lashes to the lash line to complete this look. and apply again coats of mascara. And curl them to stick to each other and to make them as part of your real lashes. So we're done here. I hope you enjoy and follow this tutorial. Have a great day!